Hello, our project name is School Management System. Our supervisor is Sir Shadan Khattak. I am from Group D1. I am the management representative of this group. My name is Najmus Saqib. Our project is about the school management system. We made this project especially for those institutions that want to be digitalized and need an automation system to run the management system. We are not only targeting the developed countries but also targeting underdeveloped countries, and that's why we made budget-friendly, efficient software. Management representative role and responsibility. Understand the strategy of the chosen organization and the requirements of the system reflect the strategic needs of the organization. I observed many institutions which used analog management system such as paper-based till now, so after communicating with them we showed our final functional components to them and it fulfilled their requirement to convert the analog into a digital system. Keep an eye on project progress. I must make sure that our project work was running smoothly and it will be completed at the right time. Budget for the system development. I discussed with every members of the team about system development budget, and it was my job to maintain the system development costs below the total production cost. Without compromising the quality of the project, my aim was to build a budget-friendly software. As a management representative, I planned our work at the beginning and I executed my plan. In week 1, we selected our school management project. In week 2, we selected our roles. Week 3, we made functional and non-functional requirements. Week 4, we made low fidelity paper-based prototype. Week 5, we made high fidelity computer-based prototype. Week 6, we tested the software and fixed the error. Week 7, finally our project was ready to hand over the client. Thank you for listening.
School Management System or Supervisor Sir Shadan Khattak Group D1. My name is Amdi Ali Nawaj and my student ID is 20224306. In this project, I am a scribe. As a scribe in this project, my major role was keep a project diary to assist team members in understanding and reflecting on what has occurred and also to assist with writing up the assignment and group instance of conflict and conflict resolution within the team. Besides, in our entire project time, I recorded meeting agendas, meeting time, meeting locations, and meeting decisions. Scribe in our first meeting, we do lots of things such as we finalize the project and we prepare a project plan we worked for. In our second group meeting, we named our project as a school management system and everyone assigned to their roles and tasks. In our third group meeting, we discuss about functional and non-functional requirement, and in our fourth group meeting, we discuss about our first low paper based sketch prototype, such as low fidelity paper based prototype, and made a paper based prototype as well. In the fifth group meeting, we all agreed to change some features from prototype, such as sidebar features, and make it more flexible because everyone have to use it easily. And in our sixth group meeting, we discussed about our first high fidelity prototype, which is computer based prototype, and make decision about some changes such as color, typography, in a seven group meeting. The meeting was our last meeting, and so that's why we all check our developed project on that meeting, and we talked about how to present our video for our final project presentation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tariq Mansur Ryan. Our project is school management system. Our supervisor is Sir Shadan Khattak. I'm from group D1. I'm the facilitator of this group. To tell about the overview of our project is that we made a software on school management system. We used RAD processing system to develop our project. Our team was consist of 5 members, and the development processes were divided by 4 phases. We followed the whole technical procedure from RAD and maintained a proper team combination in this project from starting to end. My role and responsibilities as facilitator. My first task was to plan the journey throughout the time. I selected clear methods and processes, prepared time and spared to support group processes. I calculated the workflow with the deadlines. Guiding the team was my another job. I facilitated the group self-awareness about its task, guided the group to consensus and desired outcomes. I also guided the group with clear methods with processes. Focusing on the task, I managed time throughout the time. I keep the group focused on tasks. I manage group conflicts as well. I used Trello boards and Kanban boards to update all the team members, and also they can update anything they want to share in this group. Like if need, we didn't have to change, like testing, doing, to do, code review, everything we can share in this board. I was also the motivator of the team. I motivated everyone, trusted group potential and model neutrality, acknowledge input and ideas. I removed the communication gap between team members and keep motivated them every time. I was also the enabler of the team combination. I created and sustained a participatory environment that everyone wants to contribute. I honored and recognized diversity and ensuring inclusiveness. I also designed and customized a program to meet team's needs. Thank you, sir, for your time. Thank you, everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Nihad. I'm from Group D1. I play the role of management representative uh, on developing our project, which is school management system. To mention briefly my responsibilities and my roles during developing our project, starting from understand the chosen organization strategies, plan and develop our project, gather the most function and non-function requirement, establish a budget for our project, monitor the progress of our project and set a deadline, and ending with evaluate our project performance. To understand the strategies and the organization need, we meet with the school's principal and senior staff. We gather the information and we understand the plans and the goal of the organizations. We we put a plan and we develop our project program. We developed our project by discussing the organization needs with our team and initializing first paper based prototype. Gather the requirement, function requirement and non-function requirement by identifying all internal stakeholders' needs and requirement, and prioritize and categorize all type of requirement. Establish and set a budget for our project, and that was done by define all individuals' task, including needed resources. We use work breakdown structure to determine all the project tasks. We make accurate project budget. We ensure that the cost under the budget. And to establish our budget, we use project management application as shown in the slide. For project timetable, we make that we make sure that the project will be achieved or will be ready on time.
Hi, myself Karthikeyan, my student ID 202207775, and my supervisor Khattak Shadan Khan. I am the user representative of this project. We are making the school management, parents and students to interconnected very closely with all updates wherever they are. This is the concept of this project, and my roles and responsibility as a user representative are ensure the technical requirements and ensure the functional requirements. In this project we used XAMPP, Visual Studio. For a database we used MySQL. Additionally, I will check regarding the performance, reliability and availability to the users. My main roles are planning on the schedule of meeting, arranging the meeting online and offline, make sure the proposed visa is on track of the schedule, and make sure the budget. For that I use the tools are Skype, Google Meet and Teams. And here is some prototypes of our project. And the possible outcomes of this project or student report maintenance will be provided in the web portal, and bending and paid tuition fees can be made by using this website through online. Class discussion board also available so that student can access this website from anywhere at any time if they are on leave, and the admin has authority to add a new students in the portal, and this website fully designed to be user friendly so that parents and students can access it easily. And this is all about my role. Thank you.
And I play the role of developer. Our project is about school management system and my name is Hassan Saeed. So, role of developer. In this project I created a paper prototype and discussed it with the group team. After receiving approval from the team, I created their framework and then began coding. This project has been completed, the code has been debugged and all issues have been handled. I uploaded this website successfully to my hosting server, which is hosted at sms.hassanside.info. This website's credentials are as follow: username and password. About project. Laravel is a PHP framework that I used to create this project. This project functionality is controlled by the JavaScript library jQuery, which I used. In order to create their design, I used Sass and Bootstrap. In this project, I used the MySQL database. In this project, I created 28 modules excluding their submodules. I used API for human language modules. Functional requirements. Administrators have the access to create student, teacher and parents portal and assign them. Admin have access to all modules and they look forward to working with everyone. Only a few modules such as study material, leave, chat with the teacher, homework, online class, library attendance and transportation are available to students. Parents can get information about their students' performance and progress using the portal that has been allocated to them. Teachers have access to student information, fee structure, chat session with students, online test, library access, attendance, transportation, inventory, dormitory, report cards, leave and bulk printing services. That are the non-functional requirements. Number 1, security. Only authorized user can access the system with username and password. Performance. Easy tracking of school records and also updating them. User friendly. The system is very interactive. Maintainability, backup for database are available. Problem faced. So Laravel is a conventionally slow. The front end was made in conventional bootstrap coding, but while deploying it in Laravel, more than 30% code was redesigned. MySQL is not very efficient in handling very large database, and a lot time was gone in learning new technologies and in internet issues. Future work. There would be add of online classrooms module like as Zoom, Team and Google Meet to upgrade this management system in the MERN stack at the cheap cost. Make this website user interface more user friendly. We will expand the service of our site. The addition of voice recognition system would add in this management system. These are the snapshots: database diagram, front end web snapshots, login page, reset password, contact us, about us, dashboard, and admin panel of front settings, admin panel of student info, admin panel of accounts, admin panel of reports, admin panel of header menu manager, admin panel of system settings, admin panel of roles and permissions. This is cPanel. Thank you for the presentation.